Good evening, all friends gathered here on this lovely evening. And sorry for keeping you waiting for me here today because we had another function in Nungambakam building. Mr. Bharat Asarsa, Principal Commissioner, Appeal 1, was retiring today. So we had his farewell function and I could not come in between that immediately after it finished, I came here. And first and foremost, congratulate each one of you for so actively participating in this Pakwada. Normally, whatever the Pakwadas we conduct, they were, just for namesake or for formality sake, for statistics sake, we will be conducting. But this Pakwada is truly from your, you have truly participated in it with your heart and mind. And for this, participation of yours is totally planned and executed by two of your JCs. I congratulate and place my appreciation on record for the work done by Jayapriya. Excellent work she has done and well supported by Peri Annan here. So this Pakwada has been truly theirs. So I take credit in giving only the ideas. I have given them few ideas that what we could go about doing in this fortnight, and they have really taken up those things. And the implementation work was completely theirs. They have perfectly implemented all that, and I hope all of you must have enjoyed. And I'm seeing all the pictures and I'm seeing all the messages from you, and it was really heartening. But as far as I'm concerned, for me, cleanliness is everything. Cleanliness in the environment, that our office space, home space, in and around. I just can't. Maybe I have fetish about dirt and all those things. Maybe, but for me, what is important? While I was coming from Nungambakam to here. What I was thinking is cleanliness is not only keeping our environment clean, our office spaces user friendly, and especially for me, office and home should not be two distinct places. Coming into office is for us to, we should be so comfortable in our office space as we are comfortable in our own home. And how we should be so comfortable with our working with, being with our colleagues as we are comfortable with our own family members. So for me, there isn't any distinction between office and home. Home and office are the same, and the people we work with are our family. Actually, we spend more time with our colleagues than our own family members. So, and being in a very user-friendly and clean and happy atmosphere is very, very important to me. And I would like to create, there are already there, our office is nice, but there is something more we need to do. That is our endeavor rest of this year. And more than anything, as I was, growing in the life, what I think cleanliness, not only the physical environment, I am finding the cleanliness in our inner environment, like, some negative things, some whatever is our baggage in our mind, our heart, take it away, flush it away, and then make your mind and heart fresh and clean is so, so important. And that freshness will reflect everywhere, wherever you are. I think this Pakwada, we will use not only our physical environment clean, but our inner environment. So these days we are we are hearing a lot of these words like inner engineering and all that stuff. But more than anything, our inner thing, just keep it clean, and especially not to carry too much of baggage, and just process it and not check it. My advice to all my colleagues who work with me is, there are certain things that while we are working with our colleagues or we are dealing with our work in, there are so many things while when we are interacting with people and the environment, there are so many things that are thrown at us. Sometimes we take them personally. We get flustered and we think that, oh, why this person is saying this, and why this is like this, and why this has to be done like this. So please, anything that comes to you, if you which is not, you don't like it, please don't personalize it, don't sulk, and don't withdraw or anything. Please take it out, discuss with that person. You saying that is maybe it should have been said a different way. And many times what we think, especially I advise this to ladies, I know, because being a lady, I understand it better. In any comment or anything, we take it personally and we mull it over, and we keep it in our system for a long time, and then we will withdraw. So please don't do that, and don't take it. Recently, one person has also sent me in a message where he is very pained by one comment of his colleague in one of our groups. Please don't make, all of us are here as a family, and some of us maybe said something. We are all doing it in the best interest of our office and our work and our personal interest. So don't, when any person says something, okay, maybe he doesn't, he's only communicating some direction of somebody. If you're not, no, you don't want to do that thing, work or something, you can express this in more courteous and more a more tolerant way, and we have to express each other. Everybody has a right to express their feelings, but let's be open to other people, and I want a very congenial atmosphere. So for me, a congenial, happy atmosphere at workplace is as important, and actually more important than a clean workplace, which should be a standard. A clean workplace should be a standard. So it is nothing like we have to aspire for. But now the present day is that we have to aspire for that, to clean a work environment. So clean and happy and an open environment where we just happily come to our office and work, do the best to our role, whatever that is, and then go back home happily. As if moving from home to office and office to home should not be a different environment for us. So, and please own everything in the office. Engage with your office duties and office property and office space. This is yours. Please feel that this office space is yours. Just as you feel your home space is yours, office space is yours. Please own it, and let's have this happy work environment here when all of us are coming together here. And once again, I thank all of you for your very active participation. I hope you enjoyed this 15 days of activities. And I again thank Jaipriya and Periyaswamy, Periyannan, and my ACs and other PROs who are all the people who very actively participated in these activities. Thank you so much.